take the complete kit. Collection tube, adsorption corneal, washing buffer 1, washing buffer 2, lysis solution, elution solution, Before doing the following operation steps, add epsonate ethanol to washing buffer 1 and washing buffer 2 as needed before starting the reagents. Step 1. Place the 1.5 ml EP tubes in the order in which the samples are sent and mark them accordingly. Step 2. Add 200 microliter of lysis solution to labeled EP tubes. Step 3. Transfer 200 microliter of sample to each EP tube in turn. Close the cap tightly. Vortex and shake for 10 seconds. Stand at room temperature for 10 minutes. During this period, the adsorption corneal and the collection tube are assembled and marked for future use. Step 4. Add 200 microliter of absolute ethanol to each EP tube and vortex for 10 seconds. Step 5. Transfer the liquid in each EP tube into the absolute ethanol covered with the collection tube. Place the collection tube in the palm centrifuge and centrifuge for 1 minute. Step 6. Add 600 microliter of washing buffer 1 to the adsorption corneal. Confirm that absolute ethanol was added to washing solution 1 before use. Place the collection tube in the palm centrifuge and centrifuge for 1 minute. Step 7. Pour out the liquid in the collection tube again. Add 600 microliter of washing buffer 2 to the adsorption corneal. Confirm that absolute ethanol was added to washing solution 2 before use. Place the collection tube in the palm centrifuge and centrifuge for 1 minute. Step 8. Continue to drain the liquid in the collection tube. And then place it in the palm centrifuge and centrifuge for 2 minutes. Step 9. Place the adsorption corneal in the new 1.5 microliter EP tube and mark the EP tube accordingly. Step 10. Add 50 microliter of eluent to the center of the adsorption granule. Place it in the palm centrifuge and centrifuge for 1 minute. Step 11. The adsorption granule is lost. The liquid in the centrifuge tube is the nucleic acid RNA, which is stored at -centigrade until use.